Experience the dynamic rhythm of Budapest's city life through an immersive stroll that unveils the captivating blend of history, culture, and modernity. In this enchanting YouTube video, we invite you to join us on a virtual journey through the heart of Hungary's capital, where every corner tells a story. As the video begins, the screen comes alive with the majestic panorama of the Danube River flowing gracefully between the Buda and Pest sides of the city. The chain bridge stands as a timeless symbol of connection, uniting these two distinct yet harmonious parts of Budapest. Our footsteps echo as we cross the bridge, embarking on a visual adventure that will showcase both the iconic landmarks and the hidden gems that make this city truly exceptional. The cobbled streets of the Castle district lead us to the Buda Castle, a centuries-old fortress that offers a panoramic view of the city's sprawling beauty. As we wander through the castle's courtyards, the architecture whispers tales of bygone eras, and the distant hum of the city below reminds us of the vibrant present just beyond the castle walls. Descending into Pest, we find ourselves in the heart of the city's bustling energy. The historic Hero Square pays homage to Hungary's rich history, with statues of prominent figures standing as silent witnesses to the nation's journey. Nearby, City Park invites both locals and visitors to relax, offering an oasis of greenery amidst the urban landscape. No exploration of Budapest is complete without a visit to its world-renowned thermal baths. The Széchenyi Thermal Bath, an architectural marvel, immerses us in a tranquil world where the art of relaxation takes center stage. The soothing, mineral-rich waters provide a sense of rejuvenation, while the ornate details of the bathhouse transport us to a more elegant era. Venturing into the Jewish quarter, we encounter a different facet of city life. The vibrant ruin bars, creatively repurposed from abandoned buildings, come alive with music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses. These unique spaces encapsulate Budapest's innovative spirit, seamlessly blending tradition with modernity to create something entirely new and exciting. Hungarian cuisine beckons us to indulge in its flavors, and the central market hall offers a feast for the senses. The aroma of freshly baked pastries mingles with the colorful array of fruits, vegetables, and spices. Conversations between vendors and customers create a symphony of languages, a testament to Budapest's role as a meeting point of cultures. Our journey culminates with a leisurely stroll along the Danube promenade, where the lights of the city dance on the water's surface, casting an enchanting glow. The Parliament building, an architectural masterpiece, stands as a majestic backdrop, reminding us of Budapest's grandeur and resilience. As the video draws to a close, we reflect on the diverse tapestry of experiences that Budapest offers. Its history, culture, and people converge to create a city life that is simultaneously rich in tradition and forward-looking. Through this visual exploration, we've scratched the surface of Budapest's charm, leaving viewers inspired to discover even more of its captivating city life on their own. Join us in celebrating the vibrant pulse of Budapest, a city where every step tells a story and every corner reveals a new adventure.